Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your Google account on the One Piece Bounty Rush game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the One Piece Bounty Rush game on your PC. And once you are taken into the homepage, in order to link your Google account, click on the menu icon at the top right corner. From here, just click on Link Data. And now just click through the next buttons while reading the instructions carefully. After going through the instructions, within the last page, you will then see the Link to Google Account button. Go ahead and click on it, and this will now open up your web browser, where you can click on the Sign in with Google button once again. After choosing your desired account, click on the Continue button. And now, once you see this notification letting you know that it is okay to return to the game, you can close this window and go back to your game. And now you will see the notification which tells you that your Google account has successfully been linked. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your Google account on the One Piece Bounty Rush PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.